Welcome, beautiful soul. Take this moment for yourself, a sacred pause in the unfolding of your day. Close your eyes now and allow the world around you to soften, to quiet, to fade into the background. Feel the gentle embrace of stillness wrapping around you like a warm blanket, reminding you that you are safe, you are loved, you are supported by something far greater than you can see. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose, filling your chest, your belly, your entire being with pure, renewing light. And as you exhale softly through your mouth, imagine releasing every trace of yesterday, every worry, every fear, every weight you no longer need to carry. With each breath, you step closer to peace. With each breath, you awaken to the miracle of this new day. Feel your body resting with ease, cradled by the earth, as if the ground itself is holding you tenderly. With every inhale, sense the gift of life rushing into your lungs, nourishing your cells, awakening your spirit. With every exhale, feel layers of tension melting away, leaving you lighter, freer, more open to what is possible. Bring your awareness now to your heart, the sacred center of your being. Feel its rhythm, steady and strong, like a gentle drumbeat reminding you that you are alive, that you are guided, that you are connected to a divine flow that never ends. Breathe into your heart and imagine it glowing with a soft, golden light, expanding with warmth, radiating love through every part of your body. As this golden light spreads, feel it washing over you like the first rays of morning sunlight, dissolving shadows, dissolving doubts, dissolving everything that is not aligned with the highest truth of who you are. Allow this light to flow through your shoulders, down your arms, into your hands, filling them with warmth and strength. Let it move into your legs, grounding you, rooting you deeply into the present moment. Now, imagine this radiant energy extending beyond your body, creating a luminous field all around you, a protective, loving presence that surrounds you in safety and grace. Within this field, only love exists. Within this field, you are deeply connected to divine wisdom, to infinite possibilities, to the unfolding of miracles. Breathe into this awareness. Feel your heart expand wider still, open to receiving blessings, guidance, and inspiration that are already on their way to you. Know that in this sacred space, you are not alone. You are held, cherished, and guided by a presence that walks with you always. This is the beginning of your day, a day filled with light, with love, with endless opportunities to step into your highest self. As your heart rests in this golden light, let us now turn to the energy that opens every door, that heals, that attracts, that transforms. Gratitude. Gratitude is the bridge between where you are and where you are going. It is the frequency that aligns you with divine blessings already waiting for you to receive. Take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, bring to mind one thing you are truly grateful for in this very moment. It can be as simple as the breath that sustains you, the beating of your heart, the warmth of the morning sun, or the love of someone dear. Let this gratitude expand within your chest, filling you with warmth, as though a radiant flame is glowing brighter and brighter. Feel the way your body softens when you focus on gratitude. Notice how your mind shifts from what is missing to what is abundant, from what is lacking to what is overflowing. Gratitude transforms ordinary moments into miracles, and right now, you are immersed in its healing power. Whisper softly in your heart, "Thank you." With each word, imagine waves of gratitude flowing outward from you, touching every part of your life, your health, your relationships, your work, your dreams. See these areas being illuminated by light, infused with love, aligned with possibility. Now, expand your gratitude even further. Be thankful for the challenges you faced, for they have shaped your strength. Be thankful for the unseen blessings on their way, the opportunities you cannot yet see, the miracles already in motion. Trust that life is always conspiring in your favor, guiding you, supporting you, lifting you higher. Gratitude connects you to the divine plan. It reminds you that everything you need is already here, and everything you desire is already on its way. Let this truth settle into your heart. I am blessed. I am guided. I am abundantly provided for. Feel this gratitude saturate your being, turning into a deep peace, a profound joy, and a radiant knowing that today, everything is aligning for your highest good. As your heart overflows with gratitude, you are now ready to awaken the power of faith and trust. Faith is the unseen hand that carries you when you cannot yet see the path. Trust is the anchor that keeps you steady when the waves of life grow strong. Together, they open the doorway to infinite possibilities. Close your eyes even deeper now and breathe in slowly. As you exhale, imagine surrendering every worry, every doubt, every heavy thought. Let them drift away like clouds dissolving into a clear blue sky. Feel how light your spirit becomes when you release the need to control and allow life to move through you. Now, picture yourself standing at the edge of a vast horizon. Beyond it lies everything you've ever dreamed of. Healing, love, abundance, peace. Though you may not see every detail, you know with absolute certainty that it is there. Faith whispers to you, it is done. It is already yours. Let these words echo within. I trust in the divine timing of my life. I trust in the wisdom that guides me. I trust that every step, even those I cannot yet understand, is leading me closer to my highest destiny. Feel this trust sink into your bones, steadying you like unshakable roots beneath the earth. Allow your faith to rise like a flame within your heart, burning away fear, doubt, and limitation. You are not walking this path alone. You are held, you are guided, you are supported by a love far greater than you can imagine. Every breath you take strengthens this faith. Every heartbeat affirms your trust. Every moment you release control, you create space for miracles to unfold. Let this be your truth. I walk in faith. I live in trust. I am divinely guided, and everything is working out in my favor. Now that your heart is resting in faith and your spirit anchored in trust, you are ready to align yourself with divine possibilities. This is the sacred space where dreams are born, where intentions take shape, and where the invisible becomes visible. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale softly through your mouth, imagine opening a door within your heart. Beyond this door is a radiant field of light, limitless, boundless, infinite. This is the divine realm of possibilities, where every prayer is already answered, where every vision already exists in pure potential. Step gently into this space in your mind's eye. Feel the warmth of the light as it surrounds you, wrapping you in a golden embrace. In this sacred energy, there are no barriers, no restrictions, no impossibilities. Here, you are free. Here, you are whole. Here, You are everything you have ever desired and more. Allow your heart to speak now. Whisper your intentions, not as requests, but as truths already unfolding. If you long for healing, see yourself already radiant and whole. If you long for love, feel yourself already cherished and embraced. If you long for abundance, sense the flow of blessings already pouring into your life. Repeat within, I am aligned with infinite possibilities. I am open to receive blessings beyond my imagination. I am worthy of every good thing life desires to give me. With each affirmation, notice how your energy expands. Your body relaxes, your heart opens, and your mind grows spacious. You are aligning with the frequency of creation, tuning yourself to the song of the universe. Every breath you take is weaving your life into harmony with this divine field. Every thought filled with trust is planting seeds that will bloom in perfect timing. Every heartbeat is a reminder that you are a co-creator working hand in hand with the infinite. Rest here, beloved, in this sacred alignment. Feel the beauty of knowing that everything you seek is already alive within you, waiting to unfold in your reality.